It is possible that individuals who suffer from specific medical conditions would benefit from abstaining from eating bananas. Despite the fact that bananas are a fruit that is rich in potassium, fiber, and other essential components, modifications to one's diet may be required in order to address specific health concerns. These modifications may include avoiding or reducing the consumption of bananas. The following is a list of situations in which it might be smart to steer clear of bananas that are currently available. 1. Diabetes. As a result of the relatively high amount of carbohydrates that they contain, bananas have the ability to affect the levels of sugar in the blood. Individuals who have diabetes need to keep a tight check on the quantity of carbs that they consume in order to maintain control of their blood sugar levels. Should you consume an excessive quantity of bananas, you may experience an increase in the amount of sugar that is present in your blood. It is recommended that individuals who have diabetes seek the guidance of a healthcare provider or a competent nutritionist in order to determine the appropriate quantity of bananas or other fruits to include in their diet. This allows them to make an informed decision about how much fruit they should consume. 2. Bananas are a good source of potassium, which is a mineral that is responsible for the elimination of potassium from the body in the kidneys, which are responsible for the elimination of potassium. Nevertheless, in individuals who are suffering from kidney illness, it is possible that the kidneys are unable to regulate potassium levels in the normal manner. The condition known as hyperkalemia, which is marked by high potassium levels in the blood, has the potential to be dangerous and to cause complications with the heart functioning. Bananas and other foods that are high in potassium are usually suggested to people who have renal disease, particularly those who are undergoing dialysis. This is because excessive consumption of potassium-rich foods can cause kidney damage. 3. Disorders of the gastrointestinal tract. Certain foods, such as bananas, have the potential to aggravate certain gastrointestinal disorders, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Bananas are one of the foods that have this potential. It is possible for those who suffer from digestive diseases such as bloating, gas, and other concerns to experience these symptoms when they consume bananas because bananas contain fermentable carbohydrates. Individuals who have troubles with their digestive system may find that adhering to a low FODMAP diet, which restricts the consumption of particular fermentable carbohydrates like those found in bananas, is beneficial to their health. 4. Allergy due to latex. It is possible that certain individuals have an allergy to latex, which can sometimes lead to cross-reactivity to specific fruits, including bananas. This is something that can happen. The conclusion that can be drawn from this is that individuals who are allergic to latex may also be susceptible to suffering allergic reactions to bananas. Those who are allergic to bananas may experience a wide variety of symptoms, ranging from mild itching and swelling to more severe reactions such as difficulty breathing or anaphylaxis. Banana allergies can cause a wide range of symptoms. Bananas should be consumed with caution by people who are allergic to latex, and they should seek medical assistance if they have any symptoms of an allergic reaction. Bananas should be avoided by people who are allergic to latex. 5. The accumulation of weight. In spite of the fact that bananas are a healthy alternative to other fruits that may be used as a snack, they have a relatively high number of calories when compared to other fruits. A diet that is high in calories, in conjunction with the eating of an excessive amount of bananas, may result in weight gain. This is especially true when the bananas are consumed in large quantities. Individuals who are attempting to reduce their weight or maintain a healthy weight should be mindful of the quantity of bananas they consume and should give some thought to minimizing the size of the portions they consume. 6. Migraines. Tyramine is a molecule that can be found in bananas and has the potential to induce migraines in those who are susceptible to it. There are some people who may be sensitive to tyramine, and this chemical causes headaches in people who are susceptible to it. There are a number of foods that contain tyramine, and one of those foods is bananas. People who are prone to migraines may want to consider limiting their consumption of certain foods in order to help reduce the frequency and severity of their migraines. 7. In spite of the fact that they are low in fat and cholesterol, bananas contain naturally occurring sugars. This is the case despite the fact that bananas are cholesterol and fat-free. Monitoring one's sugar consumption, which includes the sugars that are present in bananas, may be required for individuals who are either now suffering from heart disease or who are at risk of acquiring heart disease in the future. In addition to increasing the risk of getting cardiovascular disease, consuming a diet that is high in added sugars might cause one to gain weight. Despite the fact that bananas are a fruit that is abundant in nutrients, There are certain circumstances in which it might be the best course of action to limit or completely avoid the consumption of bananas. People who suffer from conditions such as diabetes, kidney illness, gastrointestinal issues, latex allergies, weight control objectives, migraines, or heart disease should seek the advice of a qualified dietitian or a healthcare specialist in order to determine the nutritional approach that is applicable to their situation and is the most appropriate for them. The provision of individualized dietary recommendations can be of aid in ensuring that nutritional requirements are met while also reducing the risks that may be associated with the consumption of bananas. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.